Creating an account on Cricket Wireless is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to set up your account easily. Step 1. Visit the Cricket Wireless website. Go to the official Cricket Wireless website using your preferred web browser. Look for the sign up or create account option on the homepage. Step 2. Enter your information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use a valid email address as you will need it for verification. Step 3. Choose a password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strategy checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Cricket Wireless. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your account and complete the registration process. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the Cricket Wireless website and log in using your email address and the password you created. Once logged in, you can manage your account settings and services. Now you are ready to enjoy the benefits of your Cricket Wireless account. If you encounter any issues, customer support is available to assist you.